Mitsubishi recommends regular service once every 6 months or 7,500 miles for a lot of Outlander model years. That's why you will see the warning saying routine maintenance required pretty often on the screen. It doesn't mean that something is wrong with the car or that the control modules noticed some oil anomalies in the engine. It's just the reminder that it's like a clock counting 6 months or 7,500 miles, and the message pops up when one of these conditions is there. A lot of Mitsubishi owners will service their cars on their own or see this warning right after regular service. In this case, there is a very easy reset procedure that you can complete on your own. First, make sure that your car is off. But if you have the classic metal key ignition, put the key in the ignition cylinder without turning it. Then locate the menu button where you have the traction control off button. Press this menu button several times till you see the service intervals on the dash screen. Now press and hold the menu button. Depending on the software type in your car, the interval may be reset after you do this, or you may see the range light flashing. If it flashes now, just press and hold the menu button one more time to reset the interval. After you do this, the routine maintenance required warning will go off the screen, and the next service reminder will bother you after 6 months or 7,500 miles, whatever comes first.